Are you confused on how to use essential oils in your bath care products? Let's make this inhale-exhale bath salt together so that you can have luxurious, soft skin too. This recipe makes it so easy and you're gonna love how your skin feels after. My name is Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils in their everyday lives. So turn off your distractions because making is healing, so let's get started with this very fun recipe. You're gonna need your July recipe box and your big bonus box. From your recipe box, you're gonna wanna find your recipe card. You're gonna use Palmarosa and eucalyptus essential oil from your box. You're also gonna use your bath salts and your Natrasorb bath powder from your recipe box. From your big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab your almond oil, and from your home, you're gonna wanna grab a sealable jar. All right, the first step, you're gonna want to combine your almond oil and your essential oils into a bowl. You're gonna wanna mix those together to get them evenly incorporated, and then we'll go to the next step. So you're going to put a half of a tablespoon of almond oil, and then 3 drops of Palmarosa, which smells like really great flowers, and 3 drops of eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is really great for helping you be able to breathe, so that's why we named this recipe Inhale Exhale. All right, now you're going to stir the almond oil and the essential oils together. Next step, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of the Natrasorb bath powder. All right, I'm gonna mix this up, and then it's turning into kind of a sticky consistency. That is exactly what it's supposed to do. Last step, I'm going to add a tablespoon of the bath salts. I'm gonna mix this all together, and then we will have a finished recipe. All right, now that this is all evenly incorporated and stirred together, it looks great. I'm gonna put it into a sealable container and label it. Ta-da! Now I'm just gonna label it, grab my label, and it's all done. You can make this too. Let's test it out. To use, you can put the entire container in the bath, or if you wanted to put in like a half a tablespoon or a full tablespoon, put it under the running water and it will disperse in your bath and your skin will feel luxurious. I absolutely love seeing all of your creations from the recipe box. So go ahead and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that we can see all your creations too. The Simply Earth recipe box makes making natural recipes super easy. Go get yours today.